Hello and welcome. In this video, you'll see me painting Dracula with oil paint on a blank comic variant cover. Hope you enjoy. Apollo, you're going to paint Gesso on Dracula, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna be careful, okay?
Be careful.
All right. Go ahead, spread that around. So here you see my son helping me out with gessoing the blank comic variant. I use clear gesso, so it's a nice ground to paint on top of with oil paint. It protects the paper, and you can play with different textures and stuff. I like, seeing my son, play around with it, use different tools. Patience is the name of the game. Wait. Don't put that on yourself. Don't touch it either, okay? Just keep painting it. Look at him clean his brush off. I didn't even tell him to do that. All done?
No.
Oh, okay. Look at you. Oh my gosh. Gesso is just supposed to protect the paper from the oil paint. And this one's gonna have some interesting textures for a substrate. Yeah. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, okay. Wow, we're getting abstract. All right, see you later, guys. So I've been an art teacher for a number of years now, and I like sharing what I know and documenting the process. And if you ever have any questions, just reach out with a comment. I'll be sure to reply in a timely manner. And I hope you enjoy these videos. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and all that stuff. And you'll see here my boy's about to finish up gessoing and adding some fun texture to the comic. These are actual comic books with a blank cover that you get to create your own cover. And so I looked inside, saw what the Dracula and looked like, and tried to do my best to bring it to life using oil paint. So hope you enjoy. These are actual comic books with a blank cover, and I use masking tape to tape it down to a board, and I use masking tape on the title and an X-Acto knife to cut the tape off, just covering the title, so that when I paint it, the actual title can be revealed under the tape when I take it off. Oh, and this part, it was so upsetting that the camera was out of focus, but I wanted to include it just to show how much time I take painting the face and really trying to bring it to a finish, some kind of rendering. It's detailed, and so if I bring the face to a point of finish, then that kind of guides how much of a finish the rest of the painting is going to be. Because sometimes it can look painterly, other times it can look really, really rendered. So that's why I was painting the face first. I don't know if you heard that crackle, but those were my knees when I just sat down. Oh my goodness. At this point of the painting, I think it started to look kind of like Superman. With the blank comic variants that I paint, I open up the book and I read them, try and get a feel for the story and the character. It helps inform the painting I want to do. And in this one, Dracula, it looked kind of like this, but when I paint them, I try and bring them to life in a way an oil painting can. I'm not shooting for a certain style or anything. I'm just trying to, see how I can interpret the story and the character in the story. And I really liked the glowing sword that Dracula had, so I wanted to include that. I liked how in part of the comic book, you see him attacking, other vampires and stuff, and his hand was very large and sharp with these claws. So, I posed my hand in a certain way to to reference for the hand that I painted. And so you'll see the details are coming, last. Here I'm happy with the result, so I start taking off the tape. So the masking tape might not work 100% as you want it. Sometimes it lets paint underneath, and that's kind of frustrating. Other times it will stick really hard to the paper and actually rip the paper off when you remove it. So I recommend putting the tape on like a pant leg or your couch, if it's a fabric couch, and that will dampen the adhesiveness of the tape. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think, and subscribe because I got a few more coming. All right, take care. Bye.